guys, we are heading to Hassi and we are here for night diving plus late night diving plus barbecue breakfast. After that we will go for an early morning dive. So sunrise dive, yeah. Usually we have to go for a bit off-road as they do not have a link road from the highway till the dive site to the Coast Guard. We are at the Coast Guard. Why you are not following them?
Because I don't want.
So you have better plans, huh?
Yes, and better road. Why
Yeah.
I should jump there?
I have a suggestion.
Yes.
Not to dive here.
Okay. Sure.
We go here.
Yes.
Sharma.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. I am saying to him the same way. We have a lot of corals there. No, go to
See,
Thailand.
there is watercolor, and it might be difficult.
So let him lead. So now we just leaving our regular spot of diving and we are going to explore a new dive spot on the same site. So that would be some adventurous event, I think, and Maxim is happy. So he's driving like that. In front of us right now is Abdullah Alomari, our instructor and very close friend of ours. So he just stopped. I need dive. It doesn't have anything to do with. Yes. So are we here?
Yeah.
There's no light. So Abdullah, you cannot see, but Abdullah is trying to fix the lights so we can have some.
Can you move it a little bit here?
Where? The light. Is this a light?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, we got the light.
Like this better, huh?
Don't we have coals?
Huh?
Coals.
Yes, we do.
Yes. These are cold.
So these are coals. So we are going to start fire.
Hi.
Yeah, now we can see this guy. This is our Vin Diesel.
Triple X.
dive. Because awesome dive. Hatan, you looks very good. Yeah.
Lighter. You still don't have a lighter. Where is this matches?
Ik can help you, Atan.
In the
You already throw or not?
I don't know why. I don't know.
This is pretty wet.
Hatan, why are you dancing? Yaad!
Strikes. What the hell? Huh? There we go.
Do. Oh, it's cold.
You also go?
No, I'm not. Are you sure? Are you sure this thing can light?
Yeah.
Oh, gentlemen, let's change the system.
Oh, Hatan is stripping now in front of us.
Put all of it. I'm pee, Nelly. Put all of it. Shit, yes!
I'm glad I can do something for you as well.
Thank you, Asha.
Where are the fishes?
What fishes?
What I saw.
I lost this big fish, hammer.
Yeah, he's talking about fish, huh? Please mind it. Wow.
Good.
Maxim is messaging, huh? Yeah. Yeah, Vin Diesel.
Yes.
Please sit on this.
Okay, البطة شوي.
What about the fishes? Where are the fishes?
What fishes? She is full.
I'm not gonna eat chicken.
Why?
The most fishes I saw was the one they catched.
We are looking for fish. If we can find some fish here on the shore. Oh! Oh, ha! From where did this fish came?
I think from the sea.
Oh!
Do you come from
Oh,
the sea?
Yeah.
Hatan is doing a great job for us.
Couldn't see. Yeah, but sometimes like when he went to red light or purple light, I switched off mine as well. Because at the beginning when we lost you the first time, we were just over the coral. So you guys were this side and we were this side.
This time we came back.
Yeah. When we saw you at the end of the dive, well, I think maybe, police or something. A lot of lights. Suddenly.
But the visibility was really good actually because I mean we could see the lights far away.
So what you have to say about the dive tonight?
Not a thing.
Not a thing.
No. Blah, 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 blah.
What would I say about the dive?
Yes.
I hit almost 2 kilograms grouper and I lost it. Mohammed was only watching. Hello? Yeah. صباح الخير.
Subah al khair. So it's good morning now. We were thinking of doing 2 dives at night, but because of this person, we are still sleeping.
One dive in the sea, one dive in the chicken.
Maxim. Hello. Hey. Good morning, ya Kaptan. Diver, are you okay? Hey, Yakko. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Hey man,
How are you?
it would have been better if I don't have a camera in my face in the morning.
This is the first morning. Hey,
Hey
good.
Bilal.
Yes, how are you? Hello. Now we are going for morning dive. We change the location. So Atan, this is our last dive for today.
نعم.
Is this our
Last dive for the year 2019.
only for him, not for us?
I will dive at home inshallah.
finished our dive trip. Now we have to pack all our equipments and go back to Yambu. So all is clear. We packed everything and we are leaving now. Hey Yako.
Thank you, brother.
Present.
See you next time. It was amazing trip.
Inshallah.
I love it.
When we are doing it again?
Soon, but with the whole group, inshallah. With the whole group.
With the whole group. We have W in this hole, huh? Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.